really started bouncing my stuff off the panel. And like how dirty it was.
So you're
Like grinding dirt into the paint.
Alright, anything else to complain about? Well, it's for recording, so I just want to get all your daily complaints.
I got nothing else.
One thing. Sweet. So, welcome back to Journey 7. I'm Seth.
Kevin.
Cool. Is it oil change straightforward? Is it ever straight? No, because I always get covered in oil by the end of the day.
It's not as bad as transmission fluid.
No, dip fluid's the worst though. That smells the worst. But yeah, we're gonna be using the AMSOIL 540, the Signature Series, for max protection. And we'll show you around a little around the shop, but we are gonna get to it, and because we have somewhere we have to go later, and we need a truck, so we're gonna get that done. So awesome. So remember that the dually is gonna spit out about 12 quarts of oil. So I need to add 2. Things like this are why I get covered in oil.
Me wanting to film versus help you?
No, I never count on you for good help.
Good.
Especially when it comes to something that's gonna get you dirty. Okay, decision made. I don't care about this oil getting on here, as long as all the oil from...
I can legit put this down.
There's a but coming in that statement, so...
But you stood it up way too fast, so I'm letting it happen.
This is gonna be awful. Cool cars, we can do this. Take the motors out. Now it's pouring out my hand.
Yeah, you got gloves on. Worst to do is roll down. Okay, that is
not what I meant to do. I'm trying to stop
Dude,
this.
you're doing great. Just, there you go. Proud of you.
I hate you so much right now.
Nice things can't make much more of a mess. Dude, don't laugh. Don't laugh. It's coming out weird.
Oh my gosh. This was oil out of the GTR.
Is that why it's so chunky? It's got like a glitter to it. I like how aggressive you got when I turned the camera off. That's sweat?
This thing's pretty full, so if we would have tried to drain the oil in the dually, it would have overflowed this. Oh, shoot.
It's like you're turning a steering wheel like really intense. Good job. Good job. It's your workout for the day.
I'm gonna need a breaker like that. It should not be that tight. Or I'm just that weak. Could you get me a breaker bar? That small silver one?
You mean my arm?
Yeah. Yeah. Good.
Okay, here. Like my left arm?
Are you really gonna come in here with that and you're gonna... Wow, that's some skill. If you... I hate you. I hate you. Oh, I hate you.
You loosened it,
dude, making me feel weak since 2012.
And if it's Kevin Dom making you feel weak, that's a big problem.
Did you just name drop?
Yeah, but it was in a negative sense.
Well, is there any other way to name drop a Dom in a negative sense? You gonna be on deck with that other?
Besides,
Oh, I've got trans oil dripping on my arm. Oh, she's got a heavy flow. You're on deck with that backup, right?
the camera?
No, the backup oil tree. Because this is almost full.
Shut up. You're lying.
I'm lying. Oh, shoot. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. Oh, I can't get my arm over. Oh.
Why didn't we start with the big one?
I don't know.
I was just gonna say, I don't think that thing's out of it.
Shit. Where is it?
I got it. Oh! That was really close to the edge.
Oh my god.
And it just stopped. Well, slowed.
Dude, only us. Only us. Oh my gosh, so much of my body has just rubbed the bottom of this truck. I do not want to know what... Okay, I kind of want to know what I'm going to look like. Ugh. All right, let's just let this drain. Oh boy. Okay, so the...
I could probably help you
The
one-handed.
goal is to get this up to this level so we can dump as much of it in as possible, since this is much higher capacity. And we tried it earlier, and any motion here, when this thing gets this full, it flexes as soon as you pick it up. So
It's gonna go everywhere.
why?
I swear
Why us?
I swear you had it somewhere though.
Even like a solo cup would work. Just getting you covered in oil. This is what it has come to. What is wrong with us? Me.
Is the big one's capacity not even enough? For
If you're about to say we should have just done it in the big one,
No, I was just asking a series of questions to maybe hope you would ask yourself that.
no.
That was one-handed with my nose again.
Look like a penguin. But like the Danny DeVito penguin.
I was just trying to think of what his laugh was. You have it on your face too.
Your nose was gushing blood. What?
So that's just landed in this superhero pose.
Wait. Superhero landing. Oh, it's bad on the knees.
I feel like I'm
I feel like I'm ill prepared to be going under here doing this, but
And you're doing what?
pulling the filter off. What? This is gonna suck. I have to keep this thing like completely
Yeah.
level the whole way down.
Here I come.
I think I got it. Yeah, I do.
okay.
Pull that back. Yeah. Okay, it's coming off. I feel like Indiana Jones.
Let me give you the other filter to put right back up.
Stop. So, like, are you the guy in the background, like, as Indy's pulling it down?
He made it out alive, right?
Because you die soon.
Oh, okay. Never mind.
filter. So instead of, when you fire the vehicle up, oil having to get into the filter and then cycle through it, there's already oil that is stored in the filter. So there's less chance of, on that initial startup, parts of the engine not being properly lubricated. And Kevin, he is going to fact check me, of course, in case I mess up anything.
No, the internet's for fact checking. I mean that, like, you know what I'm saying.
That if I get something wrong, people will just not hesitate to.
Yeah, that's how you learn nowadays.
Every time you do like a strong inhalation, I feel like I'm doing something wrong. How much is this?
Is that where you're using fuel additive?
Whole...
I just start now. It seems thin. What? Oil check in.
Yeah, probably probably a cardinal sin to do oil checking with microfire. We have 11 quarts in the truck now, so I'm just checking the oil level. Last time I took it to shop and they way overfilled it.
This thing has the bigger. Let's see the mess you made.
Only me. You. No, it's not